Please, watch your step.
All right, so we got a rainy day here at Universal.
Slipped, so when it's rainy, City Walk is slippery.
Yeah, so we're heading over to Islands. I don't know what'll be open. I don't think it's operating in the rain, but who knows if it's going to be thunderstorms. So let's see. The Cinnabon over here is now open. It wasn't last time we were here in February. Today is Star Wars Day. I wanted to be at Hollywood Studios, but it was blocked out pass holder wise before I even got the chance to look at it. So here we are. All right. The rain, it's like, it goes from sprinkling to heavy rain to right back. It's kind of all over the place. I don't want a credit card, so we're gonna keep on moving over to Hulk. Okay, so the rain's supposed to stop around noon, but it's Florida, so you never really know. I got Cinnabon, just waiting for them to get off of Hulk, and then gonna eat that. Probably go do Spider-Man or something inside to get out of the rain for a little bit. But it's not busy. The rain is really keeping people away, so not too shabby. All right, folks, so the rain has picked up, but the crowds are light. So we are heading over to the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. Then we're gonna go over to the pass holder store that Carol was at last week because they have some pretty good deals.
Marvel stuff.
I know you probably can't see me with this video, but it is soaking wet. It is pouring rain. And we're going over to Hagrid. Because what else would you do? The rain is tapering off. We all bought ponchos. And we're off.
Which
Alright, we're at the line from Velocicoaster.
Yeah.
Jack is in Hagrid.
be returning
What?
to this
Jack is in
room.
Hagrid.
Yeah, finally. 3 years.
That number.
How do you think?
It was awesome.
Leave your eyes.
It was not worth the 3-year wait,
So
but
worth getting on. Right?
worth getting on.
Yeah. The worker was amazing too.
Thanks to major advances in genetic engineering that we have pioneered right here on the Jurassic World campus, combined with the ultimate state-of-the-art safety precautions, you are about to come face to face with these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount concern. In the grooming stations, each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination.
Okay, so this video's been a little all over the place because of the weather. But we did Hagrid. I finally fit. We talked about that. We did Velocicoaster. I did Hulk again. Luke did Hulk a few times. So we're going to go get some lunch, and then we're going to head over to the other park.
We're at the train, guys. Oh, okay. It's whistling.
We're just going around Hogsmeade.
We're going around Hogsmeade. We just had lunch. There's the train.
Hey, yeah, we're heading over to the other park now, so let's go before the line gets too long.
Luke, the train just pulled away. What happened?
It's alright.
No, do it. Do it.
It's alright.
Do it. Come on, please.
No, just the train went away. We'll just catch the next one.
Do it.
What?
It'll just be pulled for. Just do it.
No.
What? Hi.
Hi. We don't have footage, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's sunny now.
It is sunny.
Finally. See room 2?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Yeah.
Luke, come on.
It's a triple decker. And it has a talking head. We're gonna head over to Men in Black. Most likely we'll do the single rider line a few times, right guys?
Yeah.
Are we alone in this universe?
Is it going out today?
What's up?
You tell my hair's up because it's hot now.
Yeah, so heading over to Men in Black, Alien Attack. So, yeah. All right, so we are in the ice tunnel, also known as the Men in Black single rider line. So let's go see if we can... Oh my God. All right, let's go see if we can, get a high score. See you in a minute.
I think you did high, but let's check with the coach.
So you're gonna go try it again.
So I just checked out the annual pass holder store. I ended up getting a sweatshirt for 20 bucks. So now we're gonna go in and check this store out. Alright guys, we got a spot outside of Mel's. We're going to wait for the parade, which is in like 1 minute. And we have a view which starts right there. Hey guy. What'd you buy, Luke? Show them what you bought.
I got this Villain Con water bottle. And I got this Captain America thing.
At that pass holder store, what'd you buy, Jack?
I got a cup that's in there somewhere, and I got a Villain Con bumper sticker. And both of those together cost me $12, so pretty good deal.
It's awesome in there, guys. You gotta get over there quick. I got a Universal Studios Orlando Resort like sweatshirt for $21. So like it's crazy the deals that you can get in there. It's like we're heading home tonight. I'll just wear it. It's fine. And I also bought a Spirit jersey, so that was earlier. But I'm probably gonna have to wear both of those home. My bag is stuffed to the max. But yeah, let's see what we can do in the next 3-ish hours.
So, I got on Rip Ride. Don't know if we mentioned that. They just did Mummy. I kind of needed a break because my head got rattled around. I'll explain how that happened a little later. But I'll probably never explain it knowing how I make these videos.
We're going to go do the roller coaster for 5 minutes.
Yeah, nice. So, we're heading over.
All right, guys. We just met Puss in Boots.
He told me it was clobbering time. I don't know.
That's awesome.
They recognized WWE. But that's why they don't have Shrek, so I don't think he's coming out. I hope he does. Donkey, we're going in line. If they come out, yeah.
Roller coaster.
It's roller coaster time.
Where are we from?
I'm from Boston.
What's your name, buddy? Luke, come here. Alright, just got off the best ride in the world. Roller coaster. I was going to record them as soon as I got on. They said no phone use, so I was like, all right. So now we're going to go over to Poe's Kung Fu Training Camp.
No, we're not.
What?
No.
All right, fine. Where are we going?
I don't know yet. We're just probably going to walk around, maybe.
Where are we going, Luke?
I don't know yet.
Minions out.
Where do you want to go?
Villain Con.
All right, so let's see what we do. All right, so we're back at Stellanova. It's been a bit of a chaotic day with the rain and the running around. But we're heading back to the airport now. It's been a solid weekend. We did a lot. I got an Epic Universe quarter zip here. We had a good time, so... Karen's not talking.
Hi guys, our lift's like about to be here. It's just 2 minutes away, so we'll see you at the airport. Alright, we're waiting to board our Spirit flight home. A little bit delayed.
Yeah, my hair is a disaster. I look like a wreck right now.
Luke, anything to say? Alright, awesome. Alright, we'll see you next time, guys.